This week, NEOWISE is switching gears. While it will continue to be somewhat visible in the northeastern skies just before sunrise, the comet will be easier to spot in northwestern skies after sunset. And unlike morning views, evening observing provides an instantly and easily recognizable mark in the sky to help you find your way to the comet. Approximately 1 hour after sunset on July 15th, you'll find the Big Dipper well above the horizon, with its bulb tilted to the north, as if the chef is ready to dip it into Earth and scoop up some horizon. In this position, you will find the two stars that make up the outer edge of the bowl, Merak to the south and Dubhe to the north, bright and making a horizontal line well above your horizon. Trace that invisible line with your eyes to halfway between the two stars. Then begin to slowly tilt your eyes down towards the horizon. Just above the horizon, you'll find NEOWISE. Best seen in this position with binoculars or a small backyard telescope. Don't be afraid to look down very close to the horizon through July 18th. The low position of the comet just might surprise you. A look at where the comet appeared on July 14th in Rio Rico, Arizona, might give you a clue just how low that comet can go. With each night, the comet will peer further into the west, with the 17th and 18th putting it almost directly beneath Merak, and then making a straight line from the west through Merak and Dubhe by the 23rd. From here, the comet moves on to the Coma Berenices, and finally out of view in August. But don't put off your comet watch. NEOWISE won't be back for 6,800 years.